This is so cool.
Okay, I feel like a lot is happening in this vlog today as I'm editing, and I realized that we didn't really explain what we were doing, which is weird. It's funny because I was watching Kyle's footage and I was like, ugh, he never explains like that he's going to do this or that, so it's not gonna make any sense. And then I started my footage and I did the same thing. Wah, wah. Audrey was at the doctor for a follow-up. I think I talked about it yesterday, but I didn't talk about it today. She was at a doctor's appointment for a follow-up on her ear, because she had an ear infection at her 15-month well. And it's looking good. So we were there for that. She was crazy while we were there. She just like wanted to run around and do everything. I was like, oh my gosh. And then we all went to a bounce house. Kyle got to go, his line of work, they do many different endeavors, but one of them, being that we're in Houston, which is a port city, very large port city, one of the endeavors that his company that he works for does, they're in shipping and cargo and things like that. And so one of the boats that the company owns was docked, and they got to go see it. Some of them got to go see it, go to the ship channel and check it out. So that's what he was doing. That's why he was randomly on some boat. And now that I've explained it, let's carry on with the vlog. Hey there, cutie. Look at her little pink self. Hi, you reading your book? Tell me about that book. Oh, well, that's good. That's good.
Right. Yeah.
So nighttime, this whole place is This is so cool. What's going on?
Whose bright idea was it to come at Bounce House, Grandma?
Not me.
Get one of her alone. There's the antennas on top. It's very cool. There's the port, ship channel. Little tug. Oh, here's your set.
I am nervous to do this.
Mom, you can do it. Mommy. Mommy.
She liked it? She liked it, Grandma? She's smiling?
Mommy. I said you want to try? Mommy. Mommy.
She liked it? She liked it, Grandma?
Inside the engine room.
Oh my God, Grandma! I can't believe it! I can't believe it!
I feel like I'm going down Everest.
I can't believe it. So what's her face was huge coming down? When I got down, I thought she was smiling, so I knew she liked it. Y'all, Audrey in slippery pants managed to manhandle her way up and start crawling up here, and I had to go chase her. Oh my God, Grandma! I can't believe it! I can't believe it!
I feel like I'm going down Everest.
I can't believe it. So what's her face was huge coming down? When I got down, I thought she was smiling, so I knew she liked it. Y'all, Audrey in slippery pants managed to manhandle her way up and start crawling up here, and I had to go chase her. Yes, sir.
Alright, Mommy. I'm gonna run down.
Okay. Why didn't you climb up the stairs and go down the slide? Audrey, you guys, is going crazy. She's so happy. She's also really wild. Like, she's just gonna chuck herself out of here. Oh, see? Look at her smiling. Look at that baby.
Together.
Are you guys in, or do you want mommy to go with you?
I want mommy to go.
Or you want to go with Sophie?
I want mommy.
Okay. Guys, we're going up. Wait on mama. You waiting on mama? You nervous? It is nervous. I gotcha. I gotcha. So funny. Grayson's way more nervous than Audrey. It does look nervous though, you guys. Okay, you ready? Did you like it?
Careful.
Grandma, did he smile?
Yes.
Was he okay? Okay. We're all gonna do this together. I'm gonna try to film it, but I'm no guarantees, y'all. All right, guys, you want me to film it?
Yeah.
Try to film. Oh, it's Audrey! Hi! Okay, ready?
Yes. Ready, set, go! Slippery.
Well, I'm out. I'm just gonna stay here.
It's so slippery. Okay.
I know.
Okay.
I'm done, Grandma. Good luck with the kids.
Okay, we're gonna go eat Chinese.
Good luck, because I'm just done. I'm not waiting for you to come roll down this and squish me. But I'll wait to film ya. Where's my Sophie? Here, go stand by Sophie. Grayson, go stand by Sophie, and I want you guys to jump so high. Okay, you ready? And jump! Oh, she hears us, the baby! Come on in, baby! Audrey! She is loopy. She's tired. She got up really early this morning. Alright, guys. I'm trying to run around as much as the children. We're gonna bang on this wall! I should not have worn a sweater, Grandma. You wanna come on in, baby girl? Not near her though, Grayson, okay? Great. Good boy, but you gotta go jump away from her. Woo! I shouldn't have worn a sweater, y'all. Oh no! Oh no, sir! You can't bring drinks in here. They'll get upset. I'm sorry, honey. You can drink it right out there, though, okay, buddy? Oh man, I gotta get that baby. I'm gonna get her. I love this baby. I love this baby, y'all. I just love her. I just love this crazy haired baby. She just keeps falling and giggling. I keep thinking, ah, is that my Gray Gray? Good job. Oh, I love this Grayson too. You got a crazy little baby sister. She's falling and giggling, falling and giggling. Here's Grammy.
Grammy, kisses, kisses, kisses.
Here's Grammy. Grammy needs some kisses. That's what she was saying instead of Grandma. She's trying. Okay. She can't get to you. She keeps falling. She's... Oh my goodness, Grandma. Baby girl, you've got a good attitude though. You want to go give Grandma kisses? I'll help you. Oh, there's my Gray girl. Oh, just kisses. And she's giggling, I know. I know it's bouncy, but it could still hurt, but she just keeps going.
It must not though, because she's taking it hard.
You okay? Alright guys, I'm gonna close out the vlog now because I'm about to work out. I got my shoes on. So I'm about to work out. So, I'm gonna close it out and I'll talk to everybody tomorrow. Hope everybody had an awesome day. Night guys.